Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create a Google form using your mobile phone. It's quick and easy, even on a small screen. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome or any browser. Navigate to your search engine and type forms.google.com. Hit search. So here you'll land up on a blank and untitled form. At the top, you'll see untitled form. Tap there and give your form a name like feedback form or event registration. Just below that, tap on form description to write a short message explaining what the form is about. Now scroll down to untitled question. Tap on it and type your question like what is your name or what service did you use. Below that, you will see multiple choice by default. Tap it to change the question type to short answer, paragraph, checkboxes, drop down, etc. Then tap on option 1 to type the first answer choice and tap add option to add more. To add a new question, tap the plus icon at the bottom left corner of your screen and repeat the process: question, type, and options. You can also customize the look of your form by tapping the paint palette icon at the top, change colors, background, or add a header image. When you're done, tap the paper plane icon at the top to share the form. You can email it, copy the link, or share it via WhatsApp, Messenger, etc. And that's it. You'll now be able to create a Google form using your mobile device, perfect for surveys, feedbacks, and quizzes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.